talk about rosemary, you guys. You might be thinking about it as something that you cook with, which is very true, but what about bringing it inside, buying a planter, dressing it up for the holidays, and keeping it inside the warm house? Like, the smell is so good during the holidays. Also, once the holidays are over, or if you gift it to somebody, this is such an amazing gift, they can take it outside and plant it. It's a wonderful dry condition, like abandoned condition type plant. This will really grow in sandy soil. It'll grow in really terrible soil. It's a Mediterranean plant, so it loves really hot conditions. It's great around pools and that type thing. So it's a multi-use plant. It has such a good smell, like I said, and of course, once it's around your pool or in your kitchen garden, you can snip off some pieces, bring it inside. And my favorite thing, I'm gonna link it below, but you guys know that in the wintertime, I love to do a potpourri, a warming potpourri on my stove. Snipping some of this and throwing it in there would also be incredible. So many uses for rosemary. So when you get the time, come out to Blair's Nursery and Gifts and get a little 3-gallon pot. This is a really nice size pot. Gift it or put it in your own home for the holidays.